Slam them up.
I forget to record. Do you want to try again? Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Um. Hello, friends. I'm Bagus, and today I'm gonna be explaining about eagles. Sometimes eagles breed in rocky places on mountains. There is this eagle called a balded eagle. Balded eagles have a little bit feathers on their head, but just a little bit. And there is this type of bird, almost the same as an eagle. There is no feathers on the head, and the beak is like dark blue with a little black parts. And the whole head is red, but the eyes are brown, I think. Some eagles can be trained and found in zoos and forests. Um, some eagles feed on mice, and eagles can be found on treetops or on mountains, I think. Some eagles also go to a lake. If they go to a lake or a sea or some type of water features, they must be catching for fish to eat. Um, um, their wings are brown and white, and their head is fully white, I think. And the eyes sometimes are yellow. Their beak is fully yellow and very sharp, so they could get in danger when they bite you. If you're like an animal doctor or vet or a rescue crew, and you see an eagle in danger, and you're trying to help him, but the eagle tries to think you're hurting him, the eagle could bite you. But it's very hard to get there because eagles could get hurt easily on trees. Like a branch could get stuck on the eagle's wing. So, and if the eagle dies, it's gonna be very sad because eagles are I think very easy to die because I don't know. Eagles have very sharp eyesight. They can fly very fast because they have very neat feathers. They have a very sharp claw. If they fall from a mountain, they can just get their claws up and then strike in the mountain. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next explanation.